First off, guys, massive shout out to the team Rese that subscribed to my channel. I know that's my subs. And you, my subscribers, ndimugita to chinchedu chifaya, so thank you. I love that you are expecting more from the channel, particularly on audio and video quality of the content. Mune point, and I felt I should bring you behind the scenes. My setup is extremely basic, and at the risk of sounding like your favorite motivational speaker, I started this channel with a laptop and a phone. So, my camera is a Google Pixel 6 that I bought secondhand a year ago after my Huawei died. Yes, this is important. I'm fortunate enough to have two pretty powerful laptops that turned out to be amazing investments. This 6-year-old HP Envy 17T and this 2-year-old Asus ROG Zephyrus M16. I got this new Texim and I'm glad I did because it would have been much harder to start without them. Here are the specs, and you can pause the video so that you go and like and subscribe and you have to compare the specs between these two laptops. These three devices handle my audio and video. I am very proud of how I made this setup work, and I'm super excited to share all the meaty details with you guys, so hande straight pakaji pepai. I have the phone connected via USB to the NV, and fortunately enough, the phone has a webcam mode when connected via USB to a computer. The highest quality it can pump out is 1080p 60, which became my ceiling for video quality. I am very happy I discovered this because recording video directly to the phone was not going to work for 3 reasons. The audio quality will be terrible since the phone will be almost 2 meters away from my mouth. The Pixel 6, it overheats all the time, and when it does this, it either cuts the video quality or straight up closes the camera app altogether, which would make filming painful. I actually pre-chill it in the freezer before my filming session. It also is the 128 gig version with less than 10 gigs of free storage left, so storage management can be a pain considering I'll be filming in 4K 60. So instead, your friendly neighborhood tech guy use the Pixel in webcam mode to capture video and send it to the Envy. The Envy is running OBS, a free video production and live streaming software that captures and records the video feed from the phone. It was also doubling up as my monitor to see if I was in frame since I wouldn't have access to the phone's screen. I made an interesting discovery. If you connect your phone to the PC using a USB-C to C cable like this one, your computer will not detect the webcam feed. It only works if you use this USB-A to USB-C cable. Pro tip there. This was a challenge. Full disclosure, I have professional audio gear, and I'd like to give a special shout out to Valentine, founder of .zw, another Zimbo doing amazing stuff in data and research. He gave me this, let me get it for you, this hand-me-down Behringer C1 podcast mic, plus the pop filter, and also this Presonus PM2 condenser mic. He also spoiled me with a 4-channel mixer, which I'm gonna put right there, with decent preamps, and that mic stand that I'm using as a tripod for the phone. But even though I have all this delicious audio gear, the missing link is a way of connecting all of that to a recording device. This part is the part that delayed me starting this channel by about 3 months. This is where the Zephyrus comes in. It's honestly got the best built-in mics I have ever used on a laptop. For a set of laptop mics, they have really good gain and resolution. They can't compete with a dedicated microphone. I mean, there is a pretty noticeable hiss in the audio. But every other laptop I have used can't compete. I mean, this is what the Envy's mics are capturing, and I know my earphones matumbo bisa on that. So yes, the Zephyrus has been holding things down when it comes to audio. To capture the audio, I am using another free app called Audacity. It has a lot of controls for audio capturing that I've never used, I'll be honest. But once the gear starts to get more pro, we might start kutinya 1 or 2 of those buttons in the app. I'm sitting on a stool and Mushana is my lighting coming in from those windows over there. I picked a plain distraction-free eggshell finished corner in the living room, and to kind of add some life, I have this fake floral ornament over there and some ring lights set to the highest brightness and warmest color. They are both powered by my 3 or so year old 20,000 milliampere hour Redmi power bank. Super simple. Doing YouTube professionally is very expensive, and this channel is not making anything yet. It's not monetized, and I have not brought in any sponsors yet. I have so many ideas on how to bump up the quality, but to get it done, I'll need to find change per salary after paying bills. So bear with me. It'll take me some time, but we'll get there. Right now, since Muritim Ranguzo Todaro, let me tell you something. I ordered a PreSonus Audiobox Go audio interface, and I'm super excited about it. I'm hoping it will be the thing that steps up our audio game to my levels, Amukundisa, because in these comments, you guys, you're believing in me too much. This was fun for me to make, and I want to document this channel's growth behind the scenes so that you see it's possible to start your own even with just a laptop and a phone. If you know a Zimbo working on their own channel, share this video with them. Otherwise, indagumireo ma comments.